guys, welcome to ASG channel, and I'm quite sure you already know how much I hate modern cars, like this, and this. They're all so plastic, so filled with computers.
My senses detected you feel emotionally unstable because you got a regular smoothie by mistake instead of a vegan one at that cafe you've just been. So I will self-drive you to the closest safe space so you could recover emotionally. In the meantime, I will put some Lil Pump, Gucci Gang, to lift your mood. Enjoy your journey, daddy.
And all those crazy, ridiculous designs which have no taste, always copying each other. And you know what? Today this video is going to be about something very special. From a special era where cars were special, people were special. And today, we're gonna have a little dive into the past.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine.
And today we're going to talk a little bit about the past of our today's superstar, Lincoln. Formerly known as Lincoln Motor Company, is a separate division owned by Ford. Yes, this might sound crazy to you, but Lincoln was and is still owned by Ford, and it has an important role in manufacturing and marketing luxurious automobiles. At that time, the Ford design chief was a prominent car designer by the name of Elwood Engel. In 1958, Mr. Elwood proposed a design for the upcoming Ford Thunderbird. Even though the design didn't really interest the Ford executives, for the Thunderbird itself, they quickly realized that this design has a massive potential for the upcoming fourth-generation Lincoln Continental. And after some weeks of delegations, it came to a point where Ford executives highly desired this design to be integrated into the upcoming Lincoln Continental lineage. Mr. Elwood had to do a few small changes in the design itself to fit the strict luxury trends and standards of the mid-60s, and then quickly after that, Ford executives gave that revolutionary for that time design a green flag. And this is where our story begins.
Hello guys and welcome to... Oh, I'm sorry, I think I have the wrong outfit for this video. Well, I think this look is way more fitting to the topic of this video. Let me actually tell you a gangster joke. What's the difference between a parrot and a Tommy gun? Well, when a Tommy gun starts singing, no one is laughing. So today's, ladies and gentlemen, we have a true gangster car. It's a Lincoln Continental from 1965. And you know what? During 60s, if a car like that would pull up your neighborhood, you know you're screwed. I've been waiting to make a video about it for a year. This is how much I waited for the owner, who's up there. He just put some Frank Sinatra soundtrack in the background. I don't know if you can hear that, but he tries to set the mood.
Touch it, let's get the hell out of here.
It's such an iconic car. It's not only because it's a piece of history, but it also has a way darker history. You know, this car was kind of powerful. I mean, maybe too powerful for its time, maybe too technologized, but it was very loved, not only by the feds, but also by the gangsters, because it was fast, the trunk was huge, the 3-speed turbo drive transmission was absolutely madness. This car was hovering over the streets, leaving the cop cars far behind. So gangsters love this car too. So specifically this model is a 4th generation Lincoln Continental. This one is a full-size luxury car. This model has a 385 series 7.5-liter V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic turbo drive transmission with a crazy weight of 2.4 tons and a ridiculous length of 5.5 meters and a width of almost 2 meters.
That's quite big.
Hey, Duke. You got some sports car treads here, I'll bet you. See if His Highness went this way.
And to be honest with you guys, I truly believe that cars built like around 50s till early 70s were absolutely gorgeous, and there is a reason for that. You know, nowadays designers are the slaves of the trends. They have to follow the shapes everybody does, but they have to just tweak it a little bit to look different. But back in the time, designers had the absolute freedom to do whatever they want. That's why cars and almost any object produced in that time period were so different and so like obscurely different. That is where the beauty of them starts, because there was a shape for everybody. Just look at this car. It's absolutely magnificent. Every tiny detail put into this car catches your eye and gets it stuck into it. I love it so much. I bet you will never see anything like that in a modern car.
Woo! That's beautiful. You did a great job, Rufus.
Yeah.
With your daughter, too.
Goodbye, Turtle.
Bye, Rufus.
Oh my god, the door feels like it weighs a ton. It's hella heavy. But what do we see here? Oh my god, the abundance of chromed parts, polished tiny details, all those metal stripes, the abundance of red leather. Oh my god, the combination is just insane. I love it. Alright guys, let's dive inside and see how it looks. Oh my god guys, just look at this interior. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The amount of detail the designers have put in this car is just crazy. Look at those shapes, those lines. Everything in this car have been made with absolute passion. And the leather used for this interior is actually called Ferrari. And you know what? This car truly deserves it. It looks ridiculously wonderful. And you know what? This car, during those times, was way ahead its time. Because all the 4 windows are electric. You can pull them down and up. Here, yeah. Wait a minute. Wow! You see that? It has power steering. In 65 they had power steering. Holy shit! So, as the owner said, he spent like 3 years, around 3 years restoring this car. And as he said, he disassembled this car to the smallest tiny bits. He restored almost everything, and it's almost done. There are just a few things to do with it. Also guys, a very interesting high-tech for its time feature this car has is this gauge, or I would say light detector. So what it does, it automatically dims the front lights from a high beam to a low beam when that detector catches the light from a car which passes by on the other side of the lane.
Both of you. I'm gonna go right now. Yes.
Well, I'm quite sure, guys, you are burning to listen to the roar of this V8 engine, 7.5 liter. You know, it's crazy, babe. And you know what? I will fulfill this need for you. You know, this roar of the fan, the roar of the V8, you know what, the smell of this engine, the smell of the interior, it adds up a lot to the beauty of this car. Guys, so this is the magnificent 7.5 liter V8 engine, which has been restored to all the smallest tiny details with the original parts. The roar of this engine is just magnificent. Just listen to this clockwork. It works like a Swiss clock. It's absolutely perfect. 3 years worth of work, absolutely worth it.
A little problem is about to go away.
Alright guys, I hope you like this video and I hope I cover up as many details about this car as possible, even though the owner gave me a very limited amount of time to record it. Smash like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, and also, if you want to support this channel, there are 2 ways you can do this. You can go to my eBay store, link in the description, and buy my ASG Designs merch. Or you can go to my PayPal account and donate as much as you're willing to. And also, for the curious eyes, this car is actually for sale. If you're interested, I will link his details down in the description. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!